Good morning, my dear friends. For the ones who don't know me yet, I'm Guy Lorando. I'm the author of The Science of Getting Love by Yourself and Others, available on Amazon Kindle. Today, the subject is going to be, as I promised there, part of Cruising 101, how to surround yourself properly. And yesterday I was telling you that we are at the center of everything surrounding us. How do you surround yourself? You have to surround yourself with things which are favorable for your growth. Promoters instead of bad mouthing you. You see, you are the center. The little baby born, comes to this earth, needs to surround himself. What kind of life you have to make? You have to make yourself a life. And you have to choose your surrounding. And you need good vectors of orientation so that you're sure you have the right understanding of what you are. You see, understanding. So you take decisions on solid ground. There you have no fear. But what to decide? You got so much disinformation from all the medias, using plays of words and things like that. They say, the truth lies inside of you. Okay, and now the truth is lying. Okay, that's not funny. Okay, because when you're getting people mixed up, they don't know if they're going right or wrong, and they fear to be disapproved. And they learn that they have to please everybody. But since everybody have a different taste, you become a jack of all trades. And that you pay under minimum wage because you have no value. You're not a specialized thing. You see? Concerning that, you have to learn how to compose with the nature of things, because the nature always knows what to do. Before you were born, it always knew what to do. So you have to learn how to compose with the nature of things, otherwise you will decompose in the nature of things. Okay, if you really want to love yourself, you have to understand yourself first. And this is what I do. I teach that. And with precision. Okay? Waiting time is dead time. How much time of your life, precious time of your life, you want to spend dead? You see? He said everything in life, everything is pain. Pain is caused by desire. We have to kill the desire by using the 8 principles of universal justice. Has been ever published? No, because ignorance is exploitable. You want to be exploited? Okay, continue it. But you know what? There's a problem. Because a lot of people are addicted to misery. Why? Because our soul is feeding with emotions. Bad emotion, good emotions, what wants to feel alive? Okay, you want to be joyful or you want to be miserable? And when you're miserable, you get mean because you're hurting other people because you're frustrated. You want it to end? Well, be precise, okay? And put a note under here. You want to participate in masterclass, the first 7 masterclass, which are the base of your proper understanding of who you are, what you want. You can spend hours in not knowing what you want. And then you'll look and you'll be jealous of people which are happy what they have. What do you want? What are you made for loving to do? What's your natural inclination? Are you made to do a plumber, an electrician, a philosopher, a writer, a singer? What are you made to do? What's your natural inclination? This you have to find out, and I can help you doing that with the masterclass. So be precise and put a note, I'm in. Not how are you or no, precise, I'm in. Write it down under the post here, and I'll see you in class. Master class, the best thing you're gonna have ever done in your life. Guarantee you that.